kind of cool. That little thing right there, there's a yin yang sign, and then it's like a bangwa, which wards away all the evil spirits. And there's another kind of cool thing up on the next floor as well. There's you see a head up there. So kind of cool. So we're in Chinatown, and I'm gonna label the street accordingly so you'll know. And we're gonna walk directly down this little alley and just keep on going through this kind of marketplace of Chinatown. Give you an idea what it looks like a little bit. So stay tuned. Check out this architecture though. Okay. Chinatown, Bangkok. So that was a preview with the music, but I'm going to show you on the map so you can see exactly where we are. So that's behind me now. And now we're going to do the walk and talk. And I do have some more Bangkok stuff as well, so you can subscribe and you can catch more of it, because I think I have 9 videos total and this is only number 2. So there's 7 more coming of Bangkok, different spots around the city. Anyways, this is the Chinatown one, and let's go right into the walk and talk. Bangkok. So yeah, that's a little bangwa, and then there's another guy up on the next story. It's all in white, but he has like a little post up there too. Nice rooftop up there. Okay, so we're gonna meander down this little alley. We're walking around in a Chinatown, the main Chinatown, the Chinatown of Bangkok. And we're gonna follow this street through this market. Then we'll label it accordingly so you know exactly what street we're on. So yeah, this is a lot of, this would be the second street that I filmed of Bangkok. We're not too far from downtown. This has a long settlement here. All kinds of stuff. Let's see if we can get around a little bit. A little bit of a challenge to get through. A lot of people are shopping, so as you can understand, that creates congestion. Okay. Actually, it's a whole little marketplace, so we could stroll all over the place in here.
It's too big.
It's hard to navigate in here. But the plus is that it's comfortable. There's actually air conditioning in here. I mean, we're outside, but there's so many shops that we're actually cool and comfortable. You can literally feel the air conditioning really strong. So we're gonna slow down for you in a minute, but got so many people there that makes me want to hurry a little bit. So yeah, it looks like this market has all kinds of stuff. Huh. That little shop that says princesses is throughout, I see that in mainland China. Got wigs. Okay. I felt like I went through there a little bit fast. But I'm going to slow down now. So I think the end of our street is coming up. I wasn't sure how deep this market was. Moshi moshi. I've seen a lot of Japanese here too in this Chinatown of Bangkok. Okay, good. So our street just has an intersection, so that means I can move beyond it. Just kind of show you where we're at real quick. Another Japanese kuya. Okay. So we're gonna go into another one. Good. So eventually I'll find a street and we can point that on the camera. Minifan. I guess I should slow down a little bit. All wigs. Bongs. Drug paraphernalia. Okay, I feel like I can slow down a little bit. Ling Cub. Huh. Cool name. So I guess you buy bags there. Kind of want to buy a bag. Let me look in here for a second. Okay, so this is actually called Ling Cub, and I got all these bags. So actually I just bought some bags. I would show you, but let's just keep on walking. But basically I bought some small bags just because I can just put my cell phone in a bag instead of having a bigger bag. But then they have a discount, so okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down our alley. Yeah, actually got all kinds of stuff here too, so it's good shopping street. The hardest challenge is navigating it. So yeah, this street goes down quite a ways. I was kind of surprised. A little bit of Chinatown references up above. I just need to give you guys a grounding of what street we're on so somebody else can find it if they want. That is going to be the challenge.
โอ้เสียดายแม่งโคตรเสียดาย
Let's see here.
10 บาทครับนี่6คอครับ
เขายืนทำไม่ได้อะอะไรๆก็หารสอง
Yeah, actually, this goes all the way down.
หาเป็นไหม200ค่ะฝากได้นะคะ
It's a little bit of a challenge because everybody's stopping to look at things. So now I know this is why I can't move slow because I'm stuck behind people. Okay, so we're going to keep on navigating. I think we're going to come up on a cross street again. If not, I might just take a minute. I might look it up on the phone for you guys in a minute. Let's see here. Where are we? Japanese shirts. Okay, so I'm going to take a look. So here we are right here. Looks like we're on something called Venice 1. Kind of parallel with Yaowarat. And kind of going towards that market. We might even be in this market already. The greater context of where we are in Bangkok, like that. I hope to find a street name in a minute. We will see. Okay, so we're still navigating a little bit. Navigating quite a bit. Hey.
ร่วมแบ่งปันน้ำใจเพื่อส่งเสริมและพัฒนาคุณภาพชีวิตผู้พิการทางสายตาเท่าไหร่ก็ร่วมได้
Beware of pickpockets. I can see where you could get some in here. It's just so narrow. Especially if people are looking at, they're distracted because they're constantly stopping to look at things. Oops. Okay. I don't know how you get a motorcycle in here. I think I hard enough time just walking without a giant motorcycle. So it looks like this keeps on going, but I don't know if I'm gonna film that much more. But at least you kind of know that it's here. Gonna try to get to this main street here, see if we can locate a street sign that I can look at. Okay. Let's see here. So this street would keep on going. Soy Wanit. You see a street sign over on the other side. It is right there. So we're actually on Soy Wanit 1. So that's where we're at. Soynit Y. Soynit 1. It says Walking Street in Chinatown. So we're gonna navigate in here a little bit. Let's see. Gonna navigate a little bit more, I mean. But I'm actually gonna come to an ending any minute now. More wigs. Okay. Now I know why I'm walking a little bit too fast, because like I don't want to film the back of people's heads. So when I get behind somebody, it makes me want to get around them quick. Okay. Clothing. Okay.
พอแล้วยังไม่ต้องเงินสดอย่างเดียวก็ถ้าตอนนี้ก็ดีถ้าไม่มีไม่เป็นไรก็
หรือว่าเอาแน่นอน
Okay. But I think you guys have an idea. Oh, there's all this more. Okay. So we're gonna come to an end probably right up here. We'll just see where we're at when we get out of here. And we're gonna end it right there.